Hello everyone, so today we'll continue a little bit the project you could see in the last videos. So I need to set up a few things before. So we have our API here. I need to open a new window with the client folder here. So okay, I have all I need for Visual Studio. Oops. Then I can put also cd and mongo just need to write mongo. And then we need to run the API. So here not more server.js. Okay, it will start by itself in a moment, and then npm start from here to run Angular. So in a very short moment we should have it here. Okay, API is up and running. Perfect. This takes always a little bit more time. Okay, so we have it. So I made a little modification yesterday. I mean today. So a few modifications from yesterday. We have still our project here. Here we need now a picture that we don't have. By the way, this needs to be changed. Let's change it right away. So in the project component here, we have this image with the project picture, and we have this empty if project picture, and here we can write is different from nothing, or maybe not. What do we have here? I don't understand why. Okay, let's just print it like this. JSON. So here we have the pictures and we have none. None and none. So if pictures is different than none. Now if we do it, okay, it's better. Okay, I think I will need it also in the project details. Blah blah blah. Different than none. So and then as you could see, I have also the details. For example, here I go the details of the project. Go back to project 1, and so on and so on. Can I do that? Yeah, it's better than it doesn't show. Okay, so let's use Postman just to check how it looks with the picture. So here I can okay, let's get all the projects first. Then let's take project number 3, the ID. So if I do that, I should get only this one, and now I can rotate it, and I have this and picture. Let's find something quickly on Google. Project, for example, image. Let's take this one. I'll just take this now. Postman. I put it here. Send. Now we can see that we have this project authenticated and we have the picture here. So if now I reload this view of project, okay, I have here my picture, and when I click I get it again. We can also go get the users. So get users, and I will take my ID for example and put here body. This I can remove, and here in user in the bold, I don't remember. I can put my let's check quickly the API, the model project user involved like this. Okay, send into user involved. Now I have mine, which means that if I go back in project, we can see that here we have the little badge with 1, which is the number of people involved in the project. And when I click, I have my project. I have user involved with a username and email. So this is a little bit weird because in the field email I have the name Liruta, which is wrong, and it will be like when I put it on live, when I create my first user, it will have a right email address, and here the user will be able to change his username. So that's pretty much it for this project, and now I'd like to go back in the project view and add a button on top, maybe, yeah, let's put it on top left, to add a new project, and make a view to add the project from the front end. So to do that we don't need much. We'll go first in the project component, and we set on top of the list. We'll add the button. So the button primary, and here add project, and here on click we can go in add project, and this is a method that we need to create here. So now let's just put it like this. Let's create a project. Okay, so now if we go back, okay, it looks a little bit ugly. Let's just add to the air. Now it should look a little bit better. Yeah. And now if I open the console with F12, if I add project, let's add project. Okay, so what do we want now? Now the point of it is to go in the detail. Look, so this method will redirect to the details, and here we have this ngIf project. So this is like the normal view when everything is fine, and we also add and not in edit mode. Then for example here I can write a if inside ng2 if, and here it's like if I am in edit, for example, as simple as that. And here we can show like we are now in edit mode. So now let's go into project details component, and we need this edit which is a boolean equal to false at first. Okay, so now if we check, nothing has changed. If I go there, oops, do load. If I go there, nothing has changed, as you can see. But now if I put this to true by default, then it will be different. Now if I click again, we are now in edit mode. Okay, so let's just create quickly a little method here, toggle edit, where we write this dot edit is equal to is, and if I do that, I can add a button on top of here. Again, primary, and here toggle edit, and I forgot here on the click, we'll use this method we just created. So now let's go back here, and now we are in edit mode. If I click, we are in the normal view, and I can click as much as I want. So it's not bad. Okay. So now let's create this edit view. So at first we want to have a field for the name, a text area for the description, and then we'll see how we will make this to put users inside. So let's go ahead and let's go check what we have also in the user details. We'll just use this to help us do it. So here you see, you can see I do the same method. Okay, so we have these groups. No, okay, let's not use this one. Okay, this one is select, and this one is an input with the checkbox, which is not totally what I want. So maybe we should check something else. Maybe the settings, the user group details, and here I should have, yeah, input colors, and I have here this input name, which is the type text. So I can just take this, copy, go back in my project detail component, create it, oops. Okay, here we have name of the project, yeah, like that. And here we put project name. Okay, so now let's check quickly if it works. The edit here will add also the project application. I doubt that it works like so quickly. Project here, yeah, I have this problem that the property name is not defined. It's like undefined because the problem is that the project is not set at the beginning, so I have to go in the project detail component. Okay, I have to go here. I will go all and reopen only what I need. So here I have the project, which is any, and then probably I can do that, and if I do so, it should avoid the problem. Yes, it does. So now you can see if I load the project, here I have the name and I can change it right away. You can see here that it's changing. Look carefully. Exactly, so this is working, and this is more or less what we want. So let's get rid of the sentence before that was useless now. Okay. So now we have it for the name. Now let's try to get it for the description. Let me check one thing. For text area, I'm not entirely sure. Oops. So we have text area here. No, we don't. Get bootstrap. Form. We have text area here. Yes. So I need this. And here I will write the project. Oh, I think I can write again in engine model. I'm not sure with this in Angular. Let's check it out. Description. So what do we have now? Okay, it's working. And if I write, it's working. So perfect. Okay, so we have this now. We set the little view right now like this. Okay, we can change this also with description. Description. Okay, so we have the form now for to change the name and the description. We'll see later to add the pictures, to change the picture and to change the user involved. But I need to make a little pause now and I will be back in a few minutes. I have some trouble here. So see you in maybe 5 minutes maximum.